Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's video where we will see how to do Virabhadrasana, its different variations and what are its benefits. So we'll begin by coming to stand. So for Virabhadrasana 1, come to standing with your feet hip width apart, and then take your left foot and place it as far behind as you can. Naturally, your toes point the long end of the mat at a 45-degree angle. Stack your right knee over your right ankle. Now it depends on how flexible you feel. You can always step back, stack the knee over. Inhale, bring both your hands up towards the ceiling, arms in line with your ears, gaze towards the right side of the mat. Inhale, completely exhale. Now from this pose, we can go into humble warrior or Baddha Veerabhadrasana. So take your hands behind your back, interlace your fingers, chest opens up, gaze up towards the ceiling, and as you breathe out, bring the crown of the head to the inside of your foot. If this is too much, you can always come to bring your belly to rest on your thighs. Now it depends on what works for you. See that you're pressing your feet into the earth. The left side of your feet is not lifting up. Come up. Virabhadrasana 2. Again, feet hip width apart. Your left leg towards the left side of the room. This time when you come, your toes point straight ahead. Stack your right knee over your right ankle. One more way is you have to stretch your legs so that your ankles come directly beneath your wrist. But all of this is based on how you feel in your body. When I draw a line from my heel to the arch, it bisects the arch of my left foot. So stack your knee over your ankle, shoulders stacked over pelvis. See that your thighs are engaged, your seat, abdomen, back, arms come in line with your shoulders. Turn and bring your gaze to your middle finger. Inhale, completely exhale. Now from here, we can go into peaceful warrior, reverse Virabhadrasana, Shanti Virabhadrasana, or it's also called the Viparita Veerabhadrasana. Now, breath in. As if someone is trying to pull your right hand. Take it all the way up towards the ceiling. Left hand comes to rest. See that the lateral edge of your left foot is not lifting. And look up. For Virabhadrasana 3, come to standing with your feet hip width apart. Maintain this hip width apart distance. Step your right leg behind. Now from here, you're going to press your left foot into the earth. Both your arms, come up towards the ceiling, arms in line with your ear. Gaze at a point, either on the wall or the floor. Start raising your right heel off. Hinge. And bring your toes, all the 5 toes on your extended leg, pointing towards the mat. Once you're steady, you can always straighten the knee and hold. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. I hope this video was helpful. For more content like this, please like and subscribe. Namaste.